Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. What is Zazzle? Zazzle is an online print-on-demand marketplace where people can buy and sell custom products. Think of it like this. You design something. Zazzle prints it on products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, posters, or home decor. Zazzle handles manufacturing, shipping, and customer service. You earn a royalty for every sale. This makes Zazzle perfect for passive income. You focus on creating, they handle the rest. How Zazzle lets you make money. Zazzle's earnings system is simple. 1. Create a free account and become a designer creator. 2. Upload your designs or customize products using Zazzle's tools. 3. Set your royalty percentage, usually 5–15%. 4. Every time someone buys a product with your design, you earn money. The best part, you don't need inventory, packaging, or shipping experience. What you can sell on Zazzle. Zazzle has thousands of products, so there's a huge market. T-shirts, hoodies and apparel. Mugs, water bottles and drinkware. Phone cases and laptop sleeves. Posters, canvases, and wall art. Greeting cards and invitations. Stickers, buttons and magnets. Home decor items like pillows and blankets. Basically, anything customizable can be a potential product. How a beginner can start earning on Zazzle. Here's a step-by-step. Step 1. Create a Zazzle account. Go to Zazzle.com. Sign up as a designer. Explore the platform and see best-selling products. Step 2. Choose a product niche. Focus on products and designs that people search for and want to buy, like birthday, wedding, or holiday items. Motivational quotes on mugs or posters. Trending memes or pop culture designs. Niche hobbies, dogs, gaming, fitness, etc. Step 3. Design your products. You can upload your own designs. Use Zazzle's design tools. Combine AI-generated art from Leonardo.ai, Midjourney, or DALL-E with your edits. Step 4. Optimize for search. Add keywords, categories, and descriptions. Make your titles clear and searchable. Good SEO equals more sales. Step 5. Promote your products. Optional. Share your products on social media. Use Pinterest or Instagram for traffic. The more people see your designs, the higher the chances of earning. Skills needed to start selling on Zazzle. You don't need to be a pro designer, but some skills help. Basic skills. Canva or Photoshop for creating designs. Basic knowledge of colors, fonts, and composition. Understanding of popular trends and holidays. Advanced skills. Vector illustration and digital art. AI art generation and editing. SEO and marketing skills. Niche research to find trending products. Even beginners can start with simple quotes, minimal designs, or AI-assisted graphics. How much can you earn on Zazzle? Earnings vary depending on your designs, niche, and promotion. Beginners, $10, $1, 100-month small products, low traffic. Intermediate, $2, $100, 1,000 month with consistent uploads. Top creators, $2,000, 10,000 plus month with trending designs and marketing. The secret? Quantity plus quality plus smart niches. Why Zazzle is perfect for passive income. No inventory or shipping required. Global audience, millions of shoppers. Unlimited product types. Designs continue to earn money over time. You create once, right arrow. Zazzle sells, right arrow, you get paid. It's simple digital product passive income. If you want to start an online business without inventory, make money from your designs, turn creativity or AI art into income, then Zazzle is a beginner-friendly platform with real earning potential. Focus on trending niches, consistent uploads, and good design skills, and you can build a solid side income. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Leave your comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.